Hi guys, so we're starting with my favorite combination lately, which is Liqueur Limoncello with Simply Lemonade. I stand for this combination. I'm literally obsessed. It's so good if you like sparkling water.
Weigh me down, 'cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear whispers.
These are the things that I got to do the pantry storage. I got these from Target. I actually ordered these off of Amazon. I got this from Target, and I think I got this from At Home. And then these are the labels that I'm going to use to label. I just started writing on them to see how it was going to be, and I really like them. I love the black with the white pop. I got this off of Amazon as well. I can link everything below if you're interested.
Talk about faith. Is it just something you say, or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, the better, better you.
So this is everything laid out on the cabinet. There was so much stuff stuffed in that pantry. I don't even know how I was able to fit all of it. But as you can see, I kind of ran out of space, so I was putting things everywhere. You see, I have stuff in the deep freezer. I had to throw a lot of stuff out. A lot of stuff was either expired or half opened, and I'm not going to want to eat it or use it after a while. But yeah, this is everything, so it's just a matter of getting everything back into the cabinet in a organized manner.
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom some your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. Oh no no no. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no banta. Hey, hey, chepe, niña tombong banta ya maybe. Ikata minto, kata for minto, baby nice walk oh no. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom I'm your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lounge with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. With your friends now. Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love. Baby girl, I like it how you move, moving like the ocean, yeah. She deep like the ocean. She got waves in the hair just like the ocean. Yeah, like the ocean. If it didn't know, with my man some distance from the ocean. Wavy like the ocean, baby. Yeah, yeah, you're looking like the ocean. Deep in my pocket like the ocean. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lounge with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. Oh no no no. Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Bobby, hey Bobby. And then Bobby, I go Bobby. Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me baby girl another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lounge with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM.
Have dry goods there, rice, pasta. I have some sauces there. And I did find this little turnstile thing at Target, which I really like. And then canned goods are here. And then I have everything just categorized. And it's just a lot more neat. It should be easier to find things because everything was just thrown in there. I feel accomplished even though I'm really exhausted. But this is a final look. And I am really happy with it. And that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Mandy. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up. I'll be having videos out maybe twice a week. We'll see how it goes. But if you have any content questions or any suggestions, please remember to comment below. Bye.